This is Dudios Zeus HD Bluetooth earbuds. A pair of earbuds that last up to 35 hours of playback time. The battery life lasts longer than some full-size headphones out there on the market. And today, let's check it out. Again, we can see the box design from Dudios is pretty typical. Simply a black cardboard box, and a simple product label with the Dudios logo, the product picture, and the model name on it. There's also some key feature printed in this tiny font in here. As we open the box, the carrying case is surrounded by this paper cutout. Under the carrying case, we can see some paperwork. You have a warranty card which contains their contact information in case you want to write an email. There's also the typical charging tips that warns you not to charge these earbuds more than 1 amp. Here's the user's manual printed in different languages. And there's nothing else in the box. The carrying case is a hard shell case and is pretty large, definitely larger than some other earbuds they offer. Due to the extra neckband design, they need a bigger case to accommodate the whole unit inside. As we unzip the case, we can see some accessories on the top of the compartment. Inside of this bag, we have some ear hooks, ear tips in different sizes, a carabiner, and some clips. We also have a micro USB charging cable. Under here is the Dudios Zeus HD. Instead of cable ties, they use Velcros for these earbuds. Also, instead of giving you one, they have 3 Velcros you can use for something else later on. So here's the earbuds. The neckband is really soft, and the 2 blocks you see here are the 2 batteries powering the earbuds. With the dual battery design, this is how you can expect up to 35 hours of playback time. On the right side of the earbud, we have the Bluetooth module. You have the multi-function button in the middle, volume up and down, or the sound selection buttons on either side. In here, you can also see a tiny hole for the microphone. On the side, we also have a micro USB charging port covered by this rubber door. The Bluetooth module is not very chunky, definitely smaller than the original Zeus. The earbuds are magnetic and you can wear them like a necklace when not in use. And now let's get right into the in-depth review of the Dudios Zeus HD, where I give my pros and cons. And let's start with pros. The neckband used on this model is super soft and flexible. It is so comfortable to wear these earbuds, and the balance is spot on. You won't feel any dragging or pulling if you move your head or doing an aggressive workout. With the latest Bluetooth 5.0 chip, audio delay is unnoticeable. These earbuds work great for both movies and music, and they also work well for both Android or iOS. The biggest selling point of the Zeus HD is its insane battery life. Because of the dual battery design on the neckband, you can expect up to 35 hours of continuous music playback. And when your battery is low, the recharge time is only 2.5 hours, which is super quick. The accessory package in the Zeus HD comes with, well, full of accessories. You can clearly see the manufacturer wants you to have a perfect custom fit. You have 8 ear hooks in total, along with 10 additional ear tips in different sizes. You can custom fit these earbuds perfectly to your likings and create a perfect seal to your ear canals. I doubt you will complain for incompatible fittings with this one. The sound signature of the Zeus HD carries its iconic Dudios/Soundpeats sound tuning. These earbuds have the signature sound from the original Zeus and Soundpeats Q30, but better quality and less compression. With 10mm drivers, bass and treble is emphasized. Low end is very punchy and powerful. High frequency is crisp and really clean. Mid-range is accurate and clear. These earbuds play very well with pop and similar genres. And here's also one small con. All wireless earbuds have relatively less mic quality than the wired earbuds. That's just the way it is by nature. The Zeus HD has a better mic than the original Zeus and Q30, there's no doubt about that. But due to the mic location, which is located on the Bluetooth module, you'll have a better call experience if you're closer to the mic, rather than just let the mic hang. It's not a deal breaker. You can either talk a little bit louder or have the mic closer to your mouth during a phone call. In conclusion, believe it or not, I'm still using my original Zeus/Q30. Yes, they still work after more than 2 years. The quality speaks for itself. I love the sound from these earbuds. They're solid with good tuning. That's simply why I'm still using them. Now with the Zeus HD, it's a complete upgrade on all aspects from the original model. Needless to say, I highly recommend picking these up if you need a pair. Consider like and subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you next time.